Arrma TLR Tuned Typhon roller ready. We're gonna go 6S on this. Box art first. Quick look, quick show what's in the box. Designed to be fast. TLR Tuned Typhon roller. Designed to be tough. TLR Tuned 7075 T6. Aluminum anodized front and rear shock towers. Dirt guards on the back end. Heavy duty drivetrain. Front and rear composite chassis brace. Super durable wheel hubs for increased strength. Low drag wheels and multi-terrain D-boots. Machine tapered shock pistons. TLR Tuned 7075 T6 aluminum anodized front and rear shock towers. New black anodized aluminum servo mount. Black aluminum sliding motor mount. Anodized aluminum adjustable suspension hangers. And then we have suspension hangers inserts. So you can tune up your suspension any way you want to for any track. Dirt, loose, hard. New tunable race wings. All metal diff out drives and gearbox internals. TLR Tuned 7075 T6 aluminum anodized chassis. Strong composite chassis side pods. Aluminum anodized steering rack. And then durable steel drive shaft throughout. Galvanized turnbuckles. Here's those Exabytes compound tires. Racing compound tires. X-hardened hard servo saver springs. Dirt guards. Again, adjustable rear front lower suspension hangers. Etched T7075 T6 aluminum laser etched front and rear shock towers. Black anodized aluminum laser etched shock bodies. 7075 T6 aluminum laser etched steering rack. So everything that's laser etched has TLR Tuned on them. That's pretty cool. Race style colors, scheme, and decals or decals. Decal. Tunable race wings, adjustable wing mount. So adjustable wing mount, tunable race wings. That's pretty cool. Okay, you have a 2-year warranty. Required, you need a receiver and transmitter. You need your own servo, you need your own electronics like ESC and motor. And you need your own batteries. You can run it on 2S, 2 2Ss for 4S, 2 3Ss for 6S, or 1 4S or 1 6S battery. So what we're gonna do now is just plop it on the table. So it comes in the box. Show the electronics I'm gonna put into it. Take it out for a test drive in the street, and then take it out test drive on the track. This is just a quick test run with the TLR Tuned with the 1650 from Hobby, Surpass Hobby, and the Tinkerelli ESC. It's 150 amp ESC, so I love my JX servo. Whoops. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tighten up those dips. Ooh, and thank you. got some funk. Oh yeah, she got some spunk. I know why, I see why. Most people turn their Typhons into street cars or street racers. Alright, let's take it back to the track. Back 40, we still on the track. Okay. Yeah. Oh! She was doing so good too. Too low. There we go. Wrong way, girl, wrong way. Oh yeah. Stay off the rail, stay off the rail. Loose gravel, loose gravel. Ooh! Take the corner, take the corner, take, there you go. I gotta find tires for loose gravel. Oh, that's gonna be it for me and the Typhon TLR Tuned, guys, from Arrma. And I'm starting to like these little buggies here. I can't believe I'm getting the buggies. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right, everyone. So you know the deal. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's all I'm asking you to do. Me and the TLR Tuned Typhon from Arrma. We're out. She's not that bad. Should be easy to clean tonight. Say goodbye. All right, let's see if you can make it over to the cart. Okay. All right. Get out your way. To the cart. Yeah, I got too much of this diffs. All right, everyone, we're out.